Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mastering Tech Insights. If you're a software developer or planning to become one, 2025 and 2026 is an exciting time to upgrade your skills. The tech industry is moving fast, and keeping up with the latest tools and frameworks can seriously boost your career. Today, I'll share some of the most promising new technologies developers should start learning right now. Let's dive in. You probably guessed it. AI and machine learning are still at the top. But here's what's new. Tools like LangChain, LlamaIndex, and Hugging Face transformers are making it easier for developers to integrate AI into their apps. Learn how to build AI-powered features using Python, TensorFlow, or PyTorch, and explore how LLMs, large language models, can automate everything from customer service to code generation. Web development and frameworks. If you're into web development, pay attention to Next.js 15, Svelte 5, and Astro. These frameworks are redefining how we think about performance and scalability. Also, don't overlook WebAssembly, WebAssembly. It's bridging the gap between web and native performance, allowing developers to run languages like Rust and C++ directly in the browser. Cloud native and DevOps. Modern applications are cloud native by default. Learning Docker, Kubernetes, and Terraform is a baseline now. But the new frontier? Serverless computing and edge deployment. Platforms like AWS Lambda, Cloudflare Workers, and Versal Edge let you build scalable apps without managing servers. And that's the future. Cybersecurity and privacy tech. With more data moving around than ever, privacy and security are critical. Developers should explore zero-trust architecture, encryption libraries, and frameworks like Open Policy Agent OPA for managing secure APIs. If you want a career that's in huge demand, cybersecurity development is a strong move. Blockchain and Web3. Yes, Web3 is evolving beyond crypto hype. Look into smart contract development with Solidity or Move, and tools like Hardhat or Foundry. New projects are using blockchain for identity, supply chain, and decentralized storage. Skills here are still very valuable. Systems and performance tech. If you prefer lower-level or high-performance programming, check out Rust and Go. Companies like Meta, Google, and Microsoft are adopting Rust for system-level performance and safety. Also, explore eBPF, Extended Berkeley Packet Filter. It's revolutionizing how developers monitor and secure production systems. So those are the top technologies to learn in 2025 and 2026. Remember, you don't need to master everything, but pick what aligns with your interests and build real projects with it. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which tech you're planning to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.